Your recipe in summary. Get their number. Okay?
Yeah.
If you want to spend $1 million getting their number, Zoom Info. Want to spend a few bucks getting their number, Lucia. Neither of those companies pay me. One of them's about to sue me because I said it's $1 million.
The one I use for healthcare, it's called Definitive Healthcare. So that's the one I use.
Perfect. And what's the title? What's the title of the person that you would like to connect with?
The radiology director.
Perfect. And is there a specific territory that you have, or is the whole world your territory?
Yes, I cover 12 states, say from the Canadian border right down to the Gulf. So.
Perfect. Hey, Matt, this is John with Acme Radiology Solutions. Wanted to reach out to you personally because I work with all of our radiology directors, basically from the middle of the United States on down to the Gulf. I was thinking about you this morning. I've got an idea that I'd like to get your opinion on. Could you give me a call on my mobile, 720-660-3202? That is your number one, surefire, best bet to get somebody to call you back. Now I'm going to ask the question that you're thinking about asking or about to think about asking before you even ask it. Ooh, what do I say the next time? Here's what you say. The exact same thing. Okay? Just wait 4 weeks. You're like, well, what do I do in the 3 weeks in between? Go call 352 other radiology directors. Keep leaving that message until they call you back. Keep leaving that message until they call you back, which they will at some point. They will call you back.